US President Donald Trump's policies, particularly those implemented through executive orders, have frequently sparked legal challenges due to their scope, execution, and perceived conflicts with existing laws or constitutional principles. And as a result, Trump has had multiple run-ins with the country's judiciary. A divided U.S. appeals court ruled that most of Donald Trump's tariffs are illegal, undercutting the Republican president's use of the levies as a key international economic policy tool. The court allowed the tariffs to remain in place through October 14th to give the Trump administration a chance to file an appeal with the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, one such instance was the violation of the Administrative Procedure Act, which requires federal agencies to follow specific procedures, such as providing reasoned explanations for policy changes. In his second term, Trump issued an executive order attempting to end birthright citizenship for children of undocumented immigrants. This was challenged by the American Civil Liberties Union and others as unconstitutional under the 14th Amendment. Now, Trump's immigration policies, often framed as prioritizing national security, have consistently faced legal challenges for violating constitutional protections, federal laws, or international agreements. Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 to justify deportations of alleged Venezuelan gang members to El Salvador. A federal judge halted these deportations, citing potential violations of due process and questioning the use of wartime law in peacetime. Now, earlier, a court also ordered federal government to shut down immigration detention facility, Alligator Alcatraz. Trump's deregulatory agenda, particularly in environmental policy, has also sparked litigation from states. Trump issued executive orders to reverse Biden-era environmental regulations, including protections against drilling in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic regions, while withdrawing from the Paris Climate Agreement. Now, at least 17 states and the District of Columbia sued Trump for exceeding presidential authority, while Environmental Protection Agency was ordered to halt enforcement of climate-related policies. Now, Trump's policies targeting specific institutions, such as universities and law firms, have also been challenged for violating constitutional protections like free speech. Trump accused elite universities like Harvard and Columbia of anti-American values and attempting to strip their federal funding. A federal judge in New York ruled that the administration's actions against Harvard lacked evidence and violated due process. While not directly policy-related, Trump's personal legal battles often intersect with his policy agenda, amplifying scrutiny and litigation. Trump faced charges in Georgia and federal cases for allegedly conspiring to overturn the 2020 election. The Georgia case led to Fani Willis was stalled after her disqualification, but the federal case was dismissed in late 2024 following Trump's reflection. While President Trump and his supporters argue that these legal challenges reflect activist judges or political opposition, the evidence suggests many losses stem from procedural errors or overreach. Now, while Trump has achieved some legal wins, the recurring failure to adhere to procedural and legal standards ensures ongoing litigation, shaping a contentious legal landscape for his presidency.